English to Gujarati. Where is equals.
ક્યાં છે?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey there. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today you'll learn the lifesaver question, where is, in Gujarati.
ક્યાં છે?
Let's get you confidently unlost, plus a little laughter on the way. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll ask for places smoothly and clearly. Say it out loud with me. Core phrase in Gujarati.
ક્યાં છે?
Means, where is. Word order tip. Say the thing first, then.
ક્યાં છે?
Example. Where is the station?
સ્ટેશન ક્યાં છે?
Example. Where is my phone?
મારો ફોન ક્યાં છે?
Example. Where is it?
તે ક્યાં છે?
Mini dialogue at the market. Act this out with me, yes, eyebrows and all. You've got this. You, excuse me, where is the museum? Gujarati.
માફ કરશો, મ્યુઝિયમ ક્યાં છે?
Vendor.
અહીં ડાબી બાજુમાં છે.
It's on the left. You, thank you. Gujarati.
આભાર.
Pronunciation beat. Tap your desk and speak with rhythm, your mouth learns faster when it grooves. Clap, clap, say.
ક્યાં છે?
Whisper, then say it boldly.
ક્યાં છે?
Add a noun. Where is the tea?
ચા ક્યાં છે?
Culture tip. A tiny habit brings big smiles in Gujarat. Start with a friendly tone and a small gesture. Raise your shoulders, open your palms, tilt your head, and say.
ક્યાં છે?
Add.
માફ કરશો.
For, excuse me. Bonus. Helpful directions often come with a side of chai. Quick quiz. Answer out loud, your houseplant won't judge. Ready? Q1. How do you ask, where is, in Gujarati? A.
ક્યાં છે?
Q2. True or false?
ક્યારે?
Means, where. A. False. Where, is.
ક્યાં?
Q3. Say, where is the bank? A.
બેંક ક્યાં છે?
Street challenge. Let's make it real, mini mission time. Point at a map and ask 3 people.
ક્યાં છે?
Fill the blank with station, chai, or bathroom. If your GPS loses signal and asks you back, just laugh and repeat.
ક્યાં છે?
Wrap up. You nailed it, clear, confident, and curious. Today you mastered, where is.
ક્યાં છે?
Keep practicing with real places.
સ્ટેશન ક્યાં છે? ચા ક્યાં છે?
Thanks for listening. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content, cheat sheets, and practice drills. See you next time.